You can set up direct deposit on Chime even without a traditional job by using eligible income sources such as government benefits. Chime accepts qualifying direct deposits from employers, payroll providers, gig platforms, or government benefits payers. For example, Social Security, SSI, SSDI, VA benefits, or state unemployment. Peer-to-peer apps, Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, bank-to-bank transfers, cash deposits, mobile checks, and one-time tax refunds generally do not count as qualifying direct deposits for features like SpotMe or Early Direct Deposit. How to set it up. Open the Chime app and tap Move. Set up direct deposit. Tap account numbers to view your routing number and checking account number, or generate a pre-filled direct deposit form. Provide these details, plus bank name, the Bancorp Bank or Stride Bank, to the benefits agency, unemployment office, or other eligible payer through their portal, form, or app. Alternatively, use Chime's in-app instant setup and search for your benefits provider if supported. Once the first qualifying deposit of $200 plus arrives, you may unlock benefits like early access to funds. The name on the deposit must match your Chime account name. For non-qualifying funding, simply transfer money from another bank or use other deposit methods.